Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we will show you how to easily reinstall the NVIDIA graphics driver on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So to do this, first head to the search menu and search for the NVIDIA app. Now select the first result that appears. Now in the NVIDIA app, you will need to go to this drivers tab here. Now here you should see your current driver, that is the NVIDIA driver. Now here you should see this reinstall option. Now note that your PC may have a couple of different drivers, so you can use this drop down menu to switch between both of them. So you can select the game ready driver from here. If there is a pending update available for your driver, you will see this download button. However, once you have updated the driver, you should see this install button like here. All you have to do is click on this install button and select your preferred option. So you can either go with express installation or custom installation. You can first go with express installation because it's much quicker. So click on continue and wait for the driver to be installed. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.